The Walmart Spark Driver app update didn't change how you deliver orders, but it did shift how offers appear, how status updates sync, and how drivers experience notifications inside the app. By the end, you'll know what actually changed in the app, what stayed the same, and what affects your day-to-day driving the most. Here's what's going on. The biggest change is not the delivery process itself. You still accept offers, pick up orders from Walmart stores, and complete drop-offs like before. What changed is how information flows through the app. Offer visibility has become more dynamic. That means offers may appear and disappear faster depending on demand in your area, instead of staying visible for longer periods. The app also places more emphasis on real-time status sensing. When you arrive at a store, confirm pickup, or complete a delivery, those updates are designed to push faster to the system and to the customer interface. Another change drivers notice is notification behavior. The app prioritizes active delivery, alerts more aggressively, so you're more likely to see time-sensitive offers and status reminders while you're online. Now here's what didn't change. You still don't need a special vehicle beyond standard requirements. You still don't manually negotiate pay for orders. And you still operate on a per-offer system where you choose what to accept. So the core structure of Spark is the same. What actually matters is how you adapt to the new flow. First, staying active in peak demand windows matters more because offers move faster than before. If you're not checking frequently during those times, you can miss short-lived opportunities. Second, app stability matters more. If your phone is low on storage or running too many background apps, you may miss notifications or see delayed updates. Third, responsiveness matters. The system is built around quick decision-making on offers that don't stay visible for long. The practical effect is simple. Drivers who stay active, responsive, and close to high-demand areas tend to see more consistent opportunities in the updated system. Drivers who only check occasionally tend to miss faster-moving offers. Summary: the Spark app update mainly changed offer speed, notification behavior, and status sensing. The delivery process itself stayed the same. The biggest impact is how quickly offers move through the system. Next step is simple. Update your app, clear unused background apps on your phone, and test how fast offers appear during your local peak hours. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, subscribe for more driver-focused updates.